Welcome back with another video. Today I'll be doing a wig review. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so I don't miss a single video. This hair is from Alipop on Amazon. Wig caps. For the wig. Lashes. This hair has to smell before I'd even take it out of the net. The curls are given. Here's what the hairline looks like. Two combs in the front, one in the back with adjustable straps. This wig looks kind of small. It's a 5x5. Based off the stretch, it might be HD lace, as they said on Amazon. It's really soft. And you get a couple strands out of this wig. Here's how the hairline looks after I plucked it. Put the wig on. Push the wig cap back. I'm gonna start applying it using the combs. You go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any. Comb all the hair going to the back before you start cutting the lace. This is more easier. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. Cut straight down the middle. Now I'm going to take my eyebrow razor because it's super easy to cut the lace, as y'all can see when you do it in two sections when you split it down the middle. Now I'm going to apply dark makeup in a level 12. This is to blend the hairline into your skin tone. I want to do some baby hairs, and I've been practicing baby hairs a lot lately, so hopefully this comes out very nice. You just want to part it out in a C-section. It's super important, and make sure when you're pulling out your edges, they're the same exact size. As you can see, one side is thicker, so I'm going to pull out some hair and push it to the back, and bam. I'm checking it just to see if it's even, and of course in the middle I'm gonna have to cut that because I don't like it right there. Right here I'm about to start cutting. Cut longer because when you cut shorter, the hair does not grow back. Cut the other side too. And after that, I'm gonna take some braiding gel and use my edge brush, of course, and start to put it onto the hair. And I'm gonna start swooping them. When you're doing your edges, you want to use your hand and start using the comb in the C-section. This is super easy. This is just like finger waves. Right now, as you can see, the baby hairs are still long, which is perfectly fine because later on I will fix it. Now I'm going to hold it, start cutting it right there at the end. And it's still too long, which is a good thing. So I'm gonna keep cutting the end of the edge. And right here is perfect.
Maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. Don't cast, last. Now everybody go job breakfast. Have to say bye bye yo, to the love of my life, my ayo. Don't cry yo, I need people and shy 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 yo.
Right here, I'm cutting the middle edge because I don't like it. I used to like it, but now I don't like it anymore. It looks way more better when you have two edges on any wig, even if it's like a frontal. Right here, I'm using a hot comb and wax stick to lay down this wig right quick.
We don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. To go bow for the result, nothing to discuss.